Let's walk through how to wire speakers to the VSSL MA.1. This process is simple and straightforward, and there are two ways to connect your speakers. The first method is using bare speaker wire. Start by unscrewing the binding post on the back of the amplifier. Insert the bare wire into the correct binding post and then tighten it down until the wire is secure. Make sure to follow proper polarity by connecting positive to positive and negative to negative. The second method is using banana plugs. Simply insert each banana plug into the correct binding post. Again, making sure to follow proper polarity. Positive connects to positive and negative connects to negative. The MA1 is rated at 125 watts per channel at 8 ohms and 200 watts per channel at 4 ohms. Once your speakers are connected, complete the amplifier setup, then test the system to make sure everything is playing correctly. Your speakers are now wired and ready to use with the VSSL MA1. For more information, visit our knowledge base at vessel.com.